Good morning to my dear third standard students. Hope you all are doing good. So finally, we have entered into our lesson 3. Yes, successfully we have finished our lesson 1 and also a short poem in the lesson 2. So this lesson 3 is completely related to a fantasy. What is fantasy? It is just an imaginary world. Means the things which are not real is called a fantasy. When you watch all your cartoons, do you think all those are real? No, it is just an imaginary thing, right? Even this story is also an imaginary thing which is called as a fantasy. Okay, now in this lesson 3, the title of the story is Peter Saves Wendy. Here you can clearly observe there are two characters, Peter and Wendy. Now in the middle it is verb saves. Peter saves Wendy. Now I will reveal the story, exactly what it is, how Peter has saved Wendy, what were the incidents has occurred and all the things. Okay, so come on students, let's look at the story today. Now students, go to the page number 23. Now we will just give a tiny mini introduction of our lesson. Okay, I will just introduce the characters today and the next following day I will just give you the complete content. Okay, now keep an eye contact on the page number 23. Here is an excerpt from J.M. Barrie's Peter Pan. Now you have to observe this word over here, E-X-C-E-R-P-T, excerpt. Means it is a short thing from the film or from a novels or from a story, a short part. Okay, it is not a complete story. Okay, what he has done, suppose there is a novel. Okay, imagine it is a book, a very big story book. Okay, now I'm just taking a short part from the book, that is called as an excerpt. In even this story also, it is a very short story which has been taken from the film or a novel or anything, that is called as an excerpt. Okay, who has written this one? J.M. Barries. J.M. Barries, his work is Peter Pan. Suppose Peter Pan, you can think it is a story, okay, very big story, or Peter Pan, we do have some movies also. This is just a small incident in the story, okay, that is called as an excerpt. Now it tells us about the adventures of a boy named Peter Pan. Obviously, the main character in this lesson is Peter Pan. He's a very adventurous boy, okay, who never grows up but can fly. What is Peter Pan? He can't grow up, but he can fly. Okay, he can't grow as you all are. Okay, like in a height or in a age, but he can just fly and he can do many more adventures. Okay, now he lives in a magical place called Neverland with his group of friends. Where does he live? He lives in a magical place called Neverland, 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 with his group of friends called the Lost Boys. He has set of group of friends, okay, and he named them as Lost Boys. First one, okay, group of friends. The next one is a kind fairy named Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell. First is a Lost Boys, which are group of friends. He named them as a Lost Boys. And the next one is Tinkerbell, which is a fairy. And the third one is Wendy and her brothers. Third character is Wendy and her brothers. Now, Peter's enemy is a wicked pirate named Captain Hook. Who is a pirate? Who just steals all the things, right? Now, who is this one? He is a enemy for the Peter Pan, because this Captain Hook, he will be stealing all the things and Peter Pan doesn't like him very much. Okay, and now pirate named Captain Hook, who has an iron hook in place of his right hand. We do have our left and right hand, right? So in our right hand, this Captain Hook, he is just having an iron hook, it seems. Don't know what has happened to his right hand. Let us see. Okay, which he lost in an accident. He lost his right hand in an accident. That's the reason he's having an iron hook onto his hand. Now, Captain Hook and his crew kidnapped Wendy. What did his Captain Hook do? He just kidnapped Wendy because he just wanted to fight with Peter Pan always. Read on to find out if Peter is able to save his friend. So this story is all about the Captain Cook has captured the Wendy and her brothers, and let us see if Peter Pan would be able to saved them. So this is a tiny mini story which is over there. Now, what is he saying? Wendy was out in the forest when Captain Cook and his gang of pirates captured her and the children. Wendy was just in the forest one day. What did this pirate do? He just captured Wendy and all her children. The pirates tied the hands and feet of the Wendy and the other children with rope and took them onto the ship. They just took them onto the ship. What was this guy saying? I want their captain, Peter Pan. Hook thundered. It was he who had fed my arm to that crocodile, whispered Hook, looking a little scared. Now what is he saying? Come on, I've just captured this Wendy and all her children. Now I just want that Peter Pan at any cost, because that Peter Pan is a very bad boy. He has just chopped my arm and he just gave that arm to the crocodile. Maybe this Captain Hook is scared of crocodiles. Maybe some fighting has been happened between Peter Pan and Captain Hook. Now Captain Hook is saying, this is the boy who has just given my arm to the crocodile. I just want that Peter Pan at any cost. So until this, I will just stop the story. Let us see in the next video if the Peter Pan will come and save all this gang or all these people. How will he do it? What tricks will he do it? All those things I will reveal little later. So today, I just want you to just write a few new words in your book and also the warm-up session. These two things you do it for me. So today's words also I will just give you. Okay? So today's in this video, I would just like to give the first word as adventures. A-D-V-E-N-T-U-R-E-S. A-D-V-E-N-T-U-R-E-S. Adventures. The next one is you just write magical. M-A-G-I-C-A-L. Magical. The next one I would just like to give you the thing Neverland. N-E-V-E-R-L-A-N-D. Neverland. And I want Tinkerbell. T-I-N-K-E-R-B-E-L-L. Tinkerbell. She's a fairy. The next one I would like to give gang. G-A-N-G. Gang. And the next word is pirates. Pirates means thieves. P-I-R-A-T-S. Pirates. The next one I would like to give you Wendy. It's a noun. Write it. W-E-N-D-Y. Wendy. Peter Pan. You write Peter Pan also. P-E-T-E-R. Peter. A little bit space and P-A-N. Pan. Peter Pan. The next one is thundered. T-H-U-N-D-E-R-E-D. Thundered. The next one is scared. S-C-A-R-E-D. Scared. So these words you just write for me as the new words and also just do the word web for me. Okay, this is a thing. So students, today's task of the day is you just start doing the word web. Imagine yourself, okay? Just imagine, if I will not grow up, what are the things I will miss? Write all those things in that one and take a picture and send it to me. Later on, the new words also, whatever the new words I've just given, write those new words also and send it to me. In the coming following video, I will just reveal all the story and we will see how Peter Pan has saved the Wendy and her children. Okay? Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.